Hello there, welcome to next topic in Power BI. In our previous session, we have covered bar chart in Power BI. So you can get the link in the description. In this session, we are going to discuss about stack column chart and when to use the stack column chart. So first we will discuss about the what is the stack column chart in Power BI. Stack column chart in Power BI are useful visualization tool when you want to display and compare the category wise data or show the trend over the time. So there are few case scenarios where you can use the stack common chart column chart. First one is comparing categories. You can use the stack column chart in comparing categories, showing the frequency, visualizing the ranking, time comparison, visualizing histogram, facilitating the drill down functionality. So let's see how we can create the stack column chart in Power BI. So we have already created, but we will create in another page for your understanding. Stack. So we will take that chart, stack column chart. Like the similar in the previous video, we have taken the category. So as of now, we are going to take the category as well. Where is the category column? Category. We will put category in x-axis and sales in y-axis. So we can increase the size of the chart. So now we can do the formatting of the chart. How we can formatting with this chart. So this is the x-axis. Like we can change the font family here. We are going to select Arial and the font size should be 12. That is black. So we have completed x-axis, y-axis. Arial 12. Display unit. We can, if we want to display unit in thousand, millions, and billions, trillions. So as of now, it is showing in millions. So we will select none. So it will give us the value in the thousands. The color should be also same color. Title, title. Yes, we can increase the size. We can increase the title. Or okay, it's should be Arial 12. We can bold. No, bold is not required. We can on the grid lines, horizontals, dotted lines. We can change the color, increase the width to 3, so that line should be appears. If you want, then you can enable the zoom slicer as well. So with the help of the zoom slider, so user can slide and zoom. So now column, we can change the color if I want to change the color of, first of all we will change the color of the all bars. If I want to give the color to all bars, so that will be, if the requirement is that we need to give the separate color to the individual category, so what we can do, we can select that furniture this color, office supplies is this color. We can also manage the spacing. Data labels, we can enable the data labels. So now it will ask us, it will ask the data labels. Arial 12, not 13. Color should be this one. Now we can change the title in the general setting. So we have completed that's all the settings and formatting. What we can do, we can increase the size as per the requirement. One more setting is left in the x-axis. We can change the axis. So we can change the axis, sub-axis. Arial. So that's we have covered the stack column chart here. If we want, then we can give the border as well. So we can also give the border, visual borders. So that chart is looking good. So you can use the stack column chart in your project, where whenever you are getting the requirement to comparing the categories or trend over the time. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe us